Hi, good morning. Happy February 1st. Yesterday I showed you how I was doing the onions and carrots to do my broth that I'm going to be canning. And this has only been on low all night long. And look how beautiful the color is. And sometimes onions don't always have a lot of flavor, or the carrots. So if you let them cook all night long, some people do this for a day or two. I couldn't do it for a day or two, but you can see how the colors are. And what I'm going to do to this is I'm going to add 2 packets of Lipton onion soup mix, and this is the ones that I'm using. And I'm going to add 2 packets to the crock pot. I love crock pots. They are lifesavers. And this will help give it flavor. And then when I'm going to do any kind of cooking with the canned broth, then it'll have even more flavor. And I don't have to season this anymore. There's already been seasoning in it. But I noticed sometimes there's not enough of a flavor. So this is what I will do. And then sometime this afternoon, I will do the canning of this onion and carrot broth. Now, one thing is, it does have to be pressure canned for about 35 minutes. That's what I do mine on. And it makes probably about 6 jars. So if you have a canner like I have, you will have to do 2 sets of canning jars. And if you have space, can water. I have 2 jars that I have water in, and I put it in just for holding the other jars up, but also it helps to properly set the pressure on the items that you are canning. And for February, I'm going with the hashtag Frugal February and hashtag Daily Challenge, because every day is a challenge. And as you can see, every day if I'm doing something little and something comes up, or if you don't feel well, it definitely saves you an awful lot of time and money. And a lot of people do a no-spend January. Well, I failed. I did not do well at all. So I'm trying for February again, and never give up. And even if you do 1 item every day, it's going to save you money in the long run. And I still have more carrots that I have to can. And some of my other projects today are at least making a cake. And I want to make banana bread. So don't ever give up. Just do something little and you'll achieve it. You don't have to do a lot all at once. So here is a list of what I tried to accomplish yesterday. I'm sorry there's a shadow. Yesterday I did the turkey hamburg meatloaf. I did the pot roast with the onions, celery, carrots, and potatoes. I started the veggie broth in the crock pot, and you can just let that go for a day or two. I wanted to do a Dolly Parton coconut cake. Didn't get a chance to do that, so hopefully I'm going to do that today. I have a Dolly Parton cake mix and icing, and I have a bag of coconut, so I want to make a coconut cake. I did the stuffed pork chops, and I do have a video on that, the pot roast, and the turkey meatloaf. I didn't get a chance to take a picture of the turkey meatloaf at the end of the videos. And then I did the baked sweet potatoes. And one of the big projects that I wanted to do yesterday that I didn't get a chance to do was cleaning the drain board set, because I had to make room. So I figured, well, I'll move the drain board and I could put it in the bathtub and scrub it. Sometimes we forget that we have to clean those. When you look underneath, you don't always see what's there until, you take it apart. And then I wanted to clean the ice machine. We have a countertop ice machine that I emptied out yesterday, and I will do baking soda and water. And I won't let it sit in there. I once did that with vinegar and ate the metal in the ice machine. We had to throw it out. So that's one of the big things that I will be doing today. We don't need it right now till the weather gets warmer, so then I will just put it on the side. But today I want to do banana bread. I want to organize the spices and the spice rack and take an inventory of what I have and what I need to get for February. The veggie broth, I'm going to do canning, but it has to be pressure canned. And then the deli part and cake. So additional to cleaning the drain board and the ice machine, then I'll also be doing all the spices. And as you can see, you can take your time doing this stuff. You don't have to do it all at once. And write down your projects. And if you don't get them done today, put them on tomorrow. You'll get them done eventually. And then they'll come around again and you'll realize the easier way to do some of your projects. Each time you do them, it gets to be easier and you find shortcuts. So I hope you enjoy my videos, and if you get a chance, please like them and share them, and please subscribe to my channel. I'll be doing items every day for you to watch. So make it a great day. Take care.